guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be playing my sign. It's called, I'm going to think of names. I haven't called it anything yet, but this is what it looks like. Let me just try to swirl it for you guys. I'm going to show you guys. This is what it looks like. Can't show you guys. Because my kind of iPad that I'm filming on, you can't flip the camera, so you can, but I can because my iPad case, it's covering the camera, so it's kind of Moses and it's like, but I don't like the color, but I'll be fine. It's like I like it. It's like a bluish gray, but it's not really, it's not stretchy, but it's so fun to play with, and I love the poking sound. I hear the poking sound. Great poking sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really thick. That's why it has a good pokey sound. It's a good pokey sound. Yeah. You can try like this. That's why it's like. Sorry if there's background noises or background people in this video. Life is out there.
جماله شعراته
بدي
خبر على رناني
Juju, baby, and not the
ما
answer.
نعرف بيت جدو ماكو بس رنا
Maybe they're sleeping.
اريد اشوف.
Sorry about that, guys. I already told you there's probably some background noises and me talking with them, so sorry about that. Just my family. My mom came back from school. Whatever. My mom just came back from school, so at school, at work. I'm gonna try to do a bubble, guys. I told you guys it's hard. It's hard to make a bubble. It's a little jiggly, like when it goes flat, like let it be flat, and it jiggles. If you guys can see that. It's like a baby, like reddish blue. I'm just filming on this fireboard. It's supposed to be like a big clipboard, like your desk when you're doing your homework or something. But I made it into my slime table. So that's it. So let's make the end nail, thumbnail, end nail, like the end of the video.